Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 sums. Solve the following system of linear equations in 3 variables. Here we use elimination method to find out x, y and z. So first given question, x plus y plus z equal to 5. So you write it, that is first equation. 2x minus y plus z equal to 9, that is second equation. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16, that is third equation. Here first we have to add the two equation to eliminate one variable. Here I am adding first equation plus second equation. So I write it first equation and second equation. And here you see, if you add means x plus 2x, x coefficient 1, that is 1x plus 2x equal to 3x. Plus y and minus y will cancel, because if you add that unlike sign, it will come 0. And z coefficient 1, here also 1, 1 plus 1, 2 is z. 5 plus 9 equal to 14, you keep it as, that is fourth equation. Next you see that third equation, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. That's why we multiply second equation into 2. That is 2x into 2, 4x. Minus y into 2, minus 2y. Z into 2, 2 plus 2 is z equal to 9 into 2, 80. So for that we are subtracting 2 minus 3. That means if you subtract second equation, that is here third, you have to change the sign. For x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16, you have to change plus x minus and minus 2y plus and plus 3z minus and 18 plus here minus. So 4x minus x, 1x, 3x, minus 2y plus 2y. Here also that unlike sign, same number, so you cancel. Plus 2ez minus 3z. That means 2z minus 3z. So here you take the number only, not integer. So here 1 plus 1 minus means you subtract the number. Whatever the greater number, you subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. Here number only you keep it in mind. Number 3, that sign having minus, so you put it minus 1. So here minus 1 is it. You simply write it as minus z. 18 minus 6 equal to 2. That is fifth equation. Next, subtract fourth equation minus fifth equation. Write it 4 and 5. That fifth equation sign you change it. Plus 3x minus is at plus and plus 2 minus 2. So 3x minus 3x will cancel. Plus 2ez plus z coefficient 1. So 2z plus 1z, 3z, 14 minus 2, 12. So 3z equal to 12 means z equal to that multiply will go to the right hand side, means it divides. So z equal to 12 by 3. That is cancel with 3 table 4. Z equal to 4. You substitute z equal to 4 in fourth equation. That is 3x plus 2z equal to 14. So 3x plus z value 4. So 2 into 4 equal to 14. 3x plus 2 into 4, 8 equal to 14. That plus 8 will go to the right hand side, means it will come minus. So 14 minus 8 equal to 6. That is 3x equal to 6 means x equal to 6 by 3, 2. Substitute x equal to 2, z equal to 4 in first equation. That is x plus y plus z equal to 5. So our x value 2 plus y plus 4 equal to 5. 2 plus 4, 6. That is y plus 6 equal to 5. That a plus will 6 will go to the right hand side. It will come minus. So y equal to 5 minus 6. Here first you take it here number only, not integer. First subtract the number. 6 minus 5, 1. What the greater number having sign? Minus. So minus 1. Therefore y equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 4. So our solution set. Two comma minus 1 comma 4. Second question, 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 equal to 0, 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to 0, 2 by z plus 3 by x equal to 14. So here, first we take it as 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b and 1 by z equal to c. For our easy simplification, we will take this. So it will come that first equation, that is a minus 2b plus 4 equal to 0. 1 by y means b, b minus c plus 1 equal to 0 and 2c plus 3a equal to 14. So next, here third equation equal to 14. Here also we will change it. So a minus 2b equal to plus 4 will go to the right hand side. It will come minus 4. That is first equation. And b minus c equal to minus 1. That is second equation. And 2c plus 3a equal to 14. That is third equation. First write first equation a minus 2b equal to minus 4. After we have to eliminate any one variable, so multiply the second equation by 2. That is second equation b minus c equal to minus 1. If you multiply by 2 means it will get 2b minus 2c equal to minus 2. For cancellation purpose, I am writing minus 2c plus 2b equal to minus 2. After I am adding that first equation plus second equation. If you add a no variable, so you write it a as such. And next minus 2b plus 2b, that is unlike sign with same term means it will cancel. That answer is 0. And you write it minus 2c equal to minus 4 minus 2. That means minus 4 plus minus 2 means you can first add the number 6 and put the same sign minus 6. So this is fourth equation. After you write the third equation 3a plus 2c equal to 14. Here also you add 3 and fourth equation. You get it a means coefficient 1, 1 plus 3, 4a. Minus 2c plus 2c will cancel. Minus 6 plus 14. Minus 6 plus 14 means 1 plus 1 minus means subtract the number, not integer. 14 minus 6, 8. What is the greater number sign? Plus. So you put it plus. So 4a equal to 8 means a equal to 8 by 4. That is 2. Substitute a equal to 2 in first equation. That is a minus 2b equal to minus 4. Substitute a equal to 2 minus 2b equal to minus 4 plus 2 will go to the right hand side means minus 2. Therefore minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Both if left hand side and right hand side, if you have minus means we can cancel. So 2b equal to 6 means b equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So we find out a and b value. So substitute in any one equation we get it c. So b equal to 3 in second equation. What is that? B minus c equal to minus 1. So our b is 3. 3 minus c equal to minus 1. That 3 will go to the right hand side. So minus 3. So minus 1 minus 3. Add and put the same sign. So minus 4. Both side minus means we can cancel. Therefore c equal to 4. So 1. So our a is 2. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2. Our b is 3. Therefore y equal to 1 by 3. Our c is 4. Therefore z equal to 1 by 4. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3, z equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Third one, x plus 20 equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus bracket of y plus z. First, we will write one equation. X plus 20 equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. Here you cross multiple, you get it 3y plus 20 by 2. After that, divide will go to the left, it will come multiply. So 2 into x plus 20. So multiply 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 20, 40. So 2x plus 40 equal to 3y plus 20. So first separate it one side variables. So 2x, so plus 3y will come to left, it will minus 3y, and plus 40 go to the right. 20 minus 40, that means 1 plus 1 minus means subtract the number. 40 minus 20, 20, put the greater number sign minus. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. This is first equation. After you take it, that second one, 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5. So here also you cross multiply 3y plus 20 by 2. 3y plus 20 by 2 equal to 2z plus 5. Here also that divide left hand side will go to the right hand side, it will come multiply. That 2 into 2z plus 5. So 2 into 2z 4z. 2 into 5 10. 3y plus 20 equal to 4z plus 10. Here also we are separating that variable. Therefore 3y plus 4z will come to the left hand side minus 4z, plus 20 will go to the right hand side minus 20. 10 minus 20. Here also subtract the number not integer. 20 minus 10 10. Put the greater number sign minus. So we get it 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. This is our second equation. Third one, 2z plus 5 equal to 110. Here 110 minus of y plus z. So I multiply with minus. So minus into y minus into z minus z. After I am separating that variable 2ez, minus will come to left hand side 2ez plus z 3ez. Minus y will come to left hand side, it will come plus y. So 3z plus y plus 5 will go to the right hand side minus 5. So 110 minus 5, 105. So this is my third equation. This is our first equation and second equation. So adding these two equations, add. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. So for cancellation, I am writing 3y here. Minus 4z equal to minus 2. Add. So 2x I cancel minus 3y plus 3y, we will get 0. Minus 4z equal to minus 20 plus minus 10 means add the number 30. Put the same sign, minus 30. 4. Next I am comparing another two equation. So I am writing second equation first and the third equation 3z plus y equal to 105. So this equation multiplied by 3. 3z into 3 9, y into 3 3y, 105 into 3 350. So here I am subtracting these two equations. So first 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. So for cancellation purpose I am writing 3y first plus 9z equal to 350. So here I am changing the sign. So I get 3y minus 3y will cancel. Minus 4z minus 9z, that is minus 13z. Minus 10 minus 315. If you add and put the same sign. So minus 325. So minus here both sides cancel. So z equal to 325 by 30. So 13 table 26 minus 65 5. 13s are 65. So z equal to 25. So substitute z equal to 25 in fourth equation. Our fourth equation is what? 2x minus 4z equal to minus 30. So z value you substitute here. 2x minus 4 into 25 equal to minus 30. So the 2x minus 4 into 25 100 equal to minus 30. Minus 100 will go to the right hand side. It will come plus 100. Minus 30 plus 700. That means 1 plus 1 minus means subtract the number 100 minus 30 70. Put the greater number sign plus. So 2x equal to 70. So x equal to 35. So substitute x equal to 35 in first equation, that is 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. So 2 into x 35. 2 35s are 70 minus 3y equal to minus 20. Therefore minus 3y equal to minus 20, that plus 70 will go to the right hand side minus 70. So minus 20 minus 70, add 90, same sign minus 90. So 3y equal to minus 90 means minus minus cancel. So y equal to 90 by 3. So 1 and 30. Therefore our y is 30. Therefore x equal to 35, y equal to 30 and z equal to 35 is the answer. Second sum, discuss the nature of solution of the following system of equation. Nature of solution means that is no solution or unique solution or infinite number of solutions. So let us see this sum. So x plus 2y minus z equal to 6 minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to minus 12 and x minus 2z equal to 3. So first equation, this one is second, that is third. So compare any two equations and eliminate a unknown variable. So first equation x plus 2y minus z equal to 6. Second one minus 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to minus 2. So how will you eliminate? Means we can add. So x mean x coefficient 1. So 1 minus 3. Subtract and put to the greater number sign. 3 minus 1 2. Greater number minus 2. So minus 2x. Plus 2y minus 2y. That is unlike sign with the same term. So cancel. Minus z coefficient 1. So minus 1 plus 5. That is subtract and put to the greater number. 5 minus 1 4. So plus 4 is it. 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12. Here also 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, get 6 and greater number sign minus 6. So after that you can divide by minus 2. So we get it x minus 2 by minus 2 1. So x and plus 4z by minus 2 means minus 2z equal to 3. So you keep it to this one, fourth equation. So next you write it that fourth equation and our third equation. So subtract x plus x means second equation we change the sign. Here minus 2z means plus 2z. Here plus 3 minus 3. Cancel x minus x minus 2 unlike sign. Here also 3 minus 3. So if our answer is here 0 equal to 0. That means the system of equation has infinite number of solutions. Second subdivision, 2y plus z equal to 3 into minus x plus 1 minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. First 2y plus z equal to 3 into minus x plus 1. So we can write it as 2y plus z equal to minus 3x plus 3. After separating the variables, we can write it as 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. That is first equation. Next one, minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. This is second one. Third one, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. This is third one. So compare any two equation and eliminate one unknown variable. We will take first equation 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. Minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. Add 1 and 2. X coefficient 1, 3x minus 1x, 2x plus 2y plus 3y, 5y plus z minus z, unlike sign, cancel, 0 equal to 3 minus 4 means 1 plus 1 minus, subtract 4 subtract the number 4 minus 3, 1, greater number sign minus. So that is fourth equation. Next, compare with the other two equations. So we take it minus x plus 3y minus z equal to minus 4. 3x plus 2y plus z equal to minus 1 by 2. Add x coefficient 1, 3x minus 1x, 2x, 3y plus 2y, 5y. Here also minus z plus z, unlike sign. Equal to minus 4 minus 1 by 2. Cross multiply minus 8 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 9 by 2. So write it here minus 9 by 2. This is fifth equation. And write fourth equation 2x plus 5y equal to minus 1. 2x plus 5y equal to minus 9 by 2. Subtract means second equation we change the sign, plus 2x minus plus 5y minus, here also minus. Two x minus 2x, unlike sign with same term, cancel 0. 5y minus 5y also cancel, here 0. Equal to minus 1 minus of minus 9 by 2. That means plus minus 1 plus 9 by 2. Cross multiple minus 2 plus 9 by 2. Here also 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the number, 9 minus 2, 7, greater number sign plus, so 7 by 2 is the answer. So 0 is not equal to 7 by 2. This is a contradiction. So therefore the system has no solution. Third subdivision, y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2 and x plus y plus z equal to 27. First we have to form a equation. So first you take it this 2. Y plus z by 4 equal to z plus x by 3, cross multiply. We get it 3 into y 3y plus 3 into z 3z equal to 4 into z 4z plus 4 into x 4x. Separating the variable in the left hand side, minus 4x plus 3y plus 3z minus 4z equal to 0. This is equal sign. So minus 4x plus 3y, and here like term 1 plus 1 minus means subtract and put to the greater number sign. 4 minus 3 1, greater number here minus, so minus z equal to 0. Throughout the equation I multiply by minus, so minus into minus plus 4x plus into minus minus 3y plus z equal to 0. This is first equation. Next we take it z plus x by 3 equal to x plus y by 2. Cross multiply 2 into z, 2z plus 2x equal to 3x plus 3y. Here also separating the variable in left hand side, we can write it as minus 3x plus 2x plus 2z minus 3y. It will come to the left hand side. It will change the sign. And minus 3x plus 2x minus x, standard form, 2z, after we will write the standard form, equal to 0. Throughout the equation I multiply by minus. So here this is minus x. So throughout the equation multiply by minus means plus x. Standard form, now you write it a minus means multiply by minus, minus into minus plus, x plus 3y plus into minus, minus 2z equal to 0. This is our second equation. So first equation and second equation add. Four x plus x 5x minus 3y plus 3y, unlike sign 0, plus z coefficient 1, 1 minus 2, 1 plus 1 minus means subtract and put the greater number sign. So 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1 z, that is minus z. So 5x minus z equal to 0. This is our fourth equation. Next, third equation, multiply by 3. Our third equation is x plus y plus z equal to 27. So multiply by 3, 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y plus 3z equal to 27 into 3, 81. And write a second equation, x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 0, and subtract it. Subtract means we have to change the sign of second equation. So plus x minus, plus 3y minus, and minus 2z plus, here minus, 0 minus. And 3x minus x, that is 1x, 2x, minus 3y, unlike sign cancel, plus 3z plus 2z, 5z equal to 81 minus 0, 81. And next you write it a fourth equation, 5x minus z equal to 0. Multiply by 5, we get it 5 into 5, 25x minus 5 into z minus 5z equal to 0. And here you add 2x plus 25x, 27x. Here unlike sign it will cancel, 81 plus 0, 81. And 27x equal to 81 means x equal to 81 by 27. Cancel with the 9 table, 3 9s are 27. 9 9s are 81. 1, 3. X equal to 3. Substitute x equal to 3 in fourth equation. What is our fourth equation? 5x minus z equal to 0. So 5 into 3, 15 minus z equal to 0, minus z equal to, it will go to the right hand side, minus 15, that both minus will cancel, so z equal to 15. So substitute x equal to 3, z equal to 15 in third equation. Our third equation is x plus y plus z equal to 27. So x value and z value substitute. So 3 plus y plus 15 equal to 27. So 3 plus 15, 18. So y equal to that 18 will go to the right hand side, it will come minus 18. So y equal to 27 minus 18 equal to 9. Here we get it x equal to 3, y equal to 9 and z equal to 15. Different values. Therefore, the system has unique solutions. Okay students, we will see remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.